Hey, so I absolutely love shopping at thrift stores, secondhand stores, whatever you want to call them. And I got all these shoes for my kiddos, and I'm going to show you how to disinfect and clean / sanitize shoes. So I bring them outside and I have the disinfectant spray. And what I do is I spray down and then I spray in the shoe. Quick spray on top of the shoe. And then on the bottom of the shoe. And I literally do that for every single shoe. Stay. It's pretty strong. Okay, so I do that for every single shoe. And then what I do is I leave them sit outside for several hours because the sun just kills germs and bacteria. So again, I already sprayed every single shoe. I'm going to leave these out for several hours and I'll show you what I do next. Okay, so the shoes were outside for several hours, and the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm literally going to just put them in the washing machine. I put it on delicate and cold. I know hot is probably better, but I put it on delicate and cold. And I put a smidge of detergent, not a lot, and I mostly put bleach. Let me show you what I do. Okay, and when I say I put a smidge of detergent in, literally any kind of detergent, but just literally a dab. Just a very small amount of detergent. And these things, I love these things. These are bleach tabs. It says to use 1, and if it's an extra soiled load, use 2. Oh. So just for the heck of it, I'm going to use 3. Now, of course, if you're putting those in with clothes, you want to make sure that it doesn't touch the clothes before it dissolves in the water, or it's going to make them change color. But as you can see, they went in the water right away, and it's going to start agitating here in a minute, and it's not going to affect the color of the shoes, and I'll even show you when they're done. Yeah, I didn't end up taking the laces out. I was like, you know what, why? Just keep them in. Yeah, so basically I'm going to let this run through the whole delicate cycle, and then I'm going to end up taking them out and leaving them sit in the sun. And again, I will show you that throwing those bleach tabs in is not going to affect the color. Again, make sure that you don't do that with clothes, because I have, and if you throw it on clothes, and it's not just in the water, it touches the clothes before it gets wet, it will change the clothes color. As you can see, when I dropped in the bleach tab, it was directly into the water and not even on a shoe. So that's why you won't have to worry about any color change. Okay, they are done. As you can see, none of them changed color because of the bleach. And I prefer to do this on a really bright sunny day because it just helps them air out and dry out faster. I don't put them in the dryer. I have put them in the dryer before, but I don't think it's very good. So again, on a super bright sunny day, I'm just going to have them sit out here until they dry. And again, you don't want to do it too late in the day because you want them to completely dry. So that is how I clean the shoes I get from the thrift stores. Thanks for watching. Please share.